Listening to music. Lesson 2. 1. Listen and repeat the types of music. Classical. Класична. Hip-hop. Hip-hop. Pop. Популярна. Rock. Rock. Country. Музика в стилі country. Jazz. Jazz. Rap. Rap. Techno. Музика в стилі техно. Heavy metal. Важкий метал. Opera. Опера. Reggae. Музика в стилі реггі. And now listen and repeat.
Classical. Classical. Country. Country. Heavy metal. Heavy metal. Hip-hop. Hip-hop. Jazz. Jazz. Opera. Opera. Pop. Pop. Rap. Rap. Reggae. Reggae. Rock. Rock. Techno. Techno.
Exercise 2. Listen to the types of music. Choose the correct word. Do this exercise in written form in your notebooks. Послухай вид музики, вибери правильне слово, запиши його у зошиті.
1. Two.
Yeah, if only you could fly high, past the clouds in the sky, sit with the stars and watch me with a million eyes. You were traveling, I'm traveling.
3. Four. 5. 6.
'Exercise 3. Look at the types of music. Think of a musician for each type. Do this exercise in your notebooks in written form. Example 1. Pop, Beyoncé. Student's book, pages 93-94. Exercise 4A. Read about different styles of popular music. Say which of them you listen to. Pop styles – популярні стилі. The blues – blues. Gospel – релігійна музика, музика на релігійну тематику. Rhythm and blues – ритм та блюз. Country and western – country та western музичний стиль. Rock and roll – rock and roll. British beat – британський ритм. Heavy metal – важкий метал. Reggae – музика в стилі реггі. Rap – rap, jazz, jazz. So, listen to my reading. Pop styles. The blues. Traditional Black American music. Blue means sad. And many blues songs are about how hard life is. Gospel. Originally sung by African slaves. Slaves – раби. The happy, emotional songs are still heard in churches in the southern USA. Rhythm and blues. Black workers in the USA moved from farms to cities. They mixed the blues with gospel and played it with electric guitars. These became rhythm and blues. Country and western. The music of poor white Americans in the 1930s and 1940s. It is still the most popular music in the southern USA. Rock and roll. White teenagers in the 1950s discovered rhythm and blues, but many radio stations would not play black music. Elvis Presley was one of the first singers to mix rhythm and blues and country and western. The result was rock and roll. British beat. The Beatles in the 1960s mixed rhythm and blues, rock and roll, and soul music. The new style was beat music. Groups used drums, bass, and 2 guitars with vocal lead and harmony. Heavy metal, a style based on blues and rhythm and blues, but with the electric instruments amplified so they are very loud. Reggae. This started in Jamaica and is a mixture of music from African roots and rhythm and blues. Bob Marley made it popular. Mixture, суміш, roots, корені. Rap. In the 1980s, DJs in American clubs began half singing and half talking over instrumental records. This is called rap. West African speech rhythms survive in rap. Jazz. An American musical art from which originated around the beginning of the 20th century in African American communities in the southern United States from a confluence of African and European music traditions. Confluence – злиття. Read about these pop styles and do exercise 4B, page 94, in your notebooks. Answer the questions in written form.